Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. And now Microsoft launched the 22H2 for Windows 11. So now it's facing some errors. Um, 0x800F0806. So this is not installed in systems and showing this error. So how to fix? Actually, guys, firstly, I will give you this command actually, and give you in description. So you just copy and click to start button and type cmd, and right click to run as administrator. Okay, then click to yes. Only then copy to just right click, automatically paste, then enter. Now this is installing some cleaning up to your installations folders, so not facing again this problem by this command. Okay, when 100% complete, you restart your computer and then again go to setting and update and click to update. Okay, firstly complete and then to try. Okay, otherwise you can this KB series you install manually, catalog. Okay, 22h2, just firstly I copy, and this process already started, so I just minimize, open Chrome browser, and type Microsoft catalog. This site actually Microsoft launched latest KB update, and right click to paste, search. Okay, so this is 22H2 920. Okay, 64 bit. If the finish this all, this is finish, and then go to click to start button, go to setting, and not installing from here automatically, so you just go to Chrome browser and install from here. Okay, I also give you this link, manually download. Okay, so just click and download and then next, not have any criticals. Okay, there are ARM64 also available, so I want to just simple versions for the 64 based systems. Okay, okay guys, if no install, just please contact to comment section, I will support you. Okay, bye bye.